Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about cloud storage plays a crucial role in the financial industry, offering secure and scalable solution for storing and securing sensitive data, including transaction records, customers' information, and financial documents. In an environment where data security and compliance are paramount, cloud storage provides numerous benefits. Here's a detailed look at how cloud storage is used in financial institutions to secure transactions, data centralization and efficiency. Centralized data repository. Cloud storage offers financial institutions a centralized repository for storing transaction records, customer data, account information, and financial documents. This centralization streamlines data management, making it easier to access and retrieve relevant information. Efficient data organization. Cloud storage allows financial institutions to categorize, tag, and organize data, making it simpler to manage large volumes of financial records and transaction histories. Scalability. Cloud storage solutions are highly scalable, enabling financial institutions to expand their data storage capacity as needed. This scalability is essential as transaction volumes and data requirements grow over time. Accessibility and mobility. Cloud storage provides authorized users with remote access to financial data, allowing them to securely access transactions records and customer information from anywhere with an internet connection. This enhances mobility and flexibility for employees and facilitates remote work arrangements. Number 4. Data security. Ensuring data security is a top priority for financial institution. Cloud storage providers implement robust security measures. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.